Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse. Today, we're diving into the revival of an Indian automotive legend, the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ. Once known as the king of Indian roads, the Ambassador is back, and this time, it's not just about nostalgia. It's about blending heritage with modern engineering. Let's see what makes the 1800 ISZ a compelling comeback. Design, retro roots, modern edge. The 2025 Ambassador retains its classic silhouette, instantly recognizable to generations of Indian drivers. But this isn't a copy-paste revival. The exterior design has been sharpened with LED headlamps, a redesigned chrome grille, and 16-inch alloy wheels that give it a more commanding road presence. The rear still carries that iconic curve, but tail lamps are now fully LED with a sleeker finish. The blend of old-school charm and modern aesthetics is one of its strongest appeals. Powertrain, reliable performance. Under the hood, the Ambassador 1800 ISZ comes equipped with a 1.8L inline-4 petrol engine, producing around 122 horsepower and 170 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed manual or an optional automatic gearbox. This ISZ engine has been refined for smoother acceleration and improved fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both city commutes and highway cruising. While not a performance monster, it offers a surprisingly refined drive for a car rooted in the past. Interior, comfort with a touch of class. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that respects the past but lives in the present. Faux wood accents, a dual-tone dashboard, and leatherette seats set a retro luxury tone. Modern touches include a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, automatic climate control, and a digital analog instrument cluster. Space remains a strong point, especially in the rear seat, staying true to the Ambassador's legacy as a chauffeur's favorite. Safety and tech, up to date. Safety hasn't been left behind. The 1800 ISZ includes 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and even a rear parking camera with sensors. With a reinforced chassis structure and improved crumple zones, the 2025 Ambassador meets modern crash standards, reassuring family buyers and fleet operators alike. Final thoughts: a rebirth done right. The 2025 Hindustan Ambassador 1800 ISZ is more than just a retro revival. It's a thoughtful reinvention of a national icon. For those who value heritage without compromising on everyday usability, this car offers a unique proposition. Would you drive the new Ambi? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching Pro Wheelhouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more auto insights.